Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to your Hyundai Santa Fe. First, ensure your vehicle is safely in park before you begin. Navigate to the Setup menu on your car's infotainment screen. Then, select the phone or Bluetooth option to initiate the pairing process. Remember to turn on Bluetooth on your mobile device, making it discoverable for your car. This initial step is crucial for a smooth connection. Next, on your phone, open your Bluetooth settings and search for available devices. You should see your Hyundai Santa Fe appear in the list. Select it to proceed. A pairing code will display on both your phone and the car's screen. Confirm these codes match. Finally, grant any necessary permissions for contacts and media access to ensure full functionality. This completes the secure Bluetooth connection. For a more integrated experience, you can also connect via USB for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Always use a high-quality USB cable to ensure a stable connection. Plug one end into your phone and the other into the car's designated USB port. Follow any prompts that appear on both your phone and the car's display. You may need to enable Apple CarPlay or Android Auto within your car's settings for full access. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your phone and the car's infotainment system. Sometimes, deleting old pairings from both devices and attempting to reconnect can resolve problems. Ensure your phone's operating system is up to date, as this can affect compatibility. For specific details or persistent issues, consult your vehicle's owner's manual for tailored guidance. Happy connecting!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.